They sold it to us as convenience. A small metal box, a glowing light, a quiet hum in the kitchen. Press a button and seconds later your food is hot. But inside the microwave oven, something strange is happening. Instead of heating food from the outside like a stove or regular oven, it bombards your food with microwave radiation, a form of electromagnetic energy. These waves make water molecules inside your food vibrate billions of times per second, generating heat from the inside. They tell us the radiation is non-ionizing, meaning it doesn't have enough energy to damage DNA or make food radioactive. But it's not like they've never lied to us before. Still, there are real risks people rarely think about. Water can become superheated and suddenly explode when disrupted. Food can heat unevenly, allowing bacteria to survive in colder spots. And some plastics can release chemicals if they are not microwavable safe. Stop using microwaves because they're convenient and reheat your food properly without the invisible waves vibrating molecules billions of times per second.